may laban po akong mahalin siya. Ganun po. Yeah.
Okay, Joseph? Joseph, last one.
Pero
Last
kung-
answer.
Pero kung ganito po, hindi ko po sure.
Agree ako kay Ren. Kung ganito ba naman, di ba? Paano? That's a very good question. Yung mafia sa book, it's cute. But in real life, I'm sure it's not gonna be cute. And so, especially I have family. If a person is doing something illegal, di ba, parang red flag na kagad yun. If hindi mo masabi sa mga tao, or if you're keeping it secretly, that means it's wrong. So, siguro, I will give it up. Kasi alam kong, it's hard. Tsaka maraming pwedeng madami at masaktan. So, I cannot just think of myself. Dahil in love lang ako, parang magbubulag-bulagan ako sa mga nangyayari. So, I'm not gonna do that. So, I might just walk away.
True.
Pero kung ganito nga ba naman?
All right, and there you have it.